kaka Ombudsman dhi nyime gi timo limbe e kaunti mopogore pachoka e ng'eyo kaka okumba mar thieth manyien mar SHA tiyo ne jopiny. Kanowuoyo osiptal maduong' ma Ramogi Oginga Odinga, jakom mar Duol Charles Dulo nolero ni limbe ma gitimo geto ng'iyo midhiero ma jopiny kale kotenore gi okumba manyien mar SHA. Jakomno owacho ni kopogore gi rango SHA, bende apise ma pacho kaeri biro tiyo kanyakla kotenore gi weche mag lokruok mar kor lwasi.
Our spot check is not, is just to find out what are the bottlenecks in the implementation of SHA, if there's any. We have visited Siaya County Referral Hospital. We are here. We are going to visit private facilities as well as faith-based facilities, just to find out what is the problem. After that, we'll be able to issue a comprehensive statement regarding our findings. As you may be aware, another team is in Nyandarua, Muranga, Isiolo, and Nakuru. They're also doing similar things in terms of our engagement with the county government, and also as well as the issues of SHA. So they're also doing their spot checks wherever they are. When we go back to Nairobi, we will combine the reports that we'll have gotten from almost 8 counties we'll have visited, and that would give us a representative sample of how SHA is working or what is not working in SHA, and we'll be able to give a comprehensive statement.